Hey everybody, welcome to my another very viral video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how can you increase your views and subscriber in this easy method. It is 100% working. I will show the live proof here. So before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and running on those bell notification. So let's get started. So I'm in your mobile here, and first of all I will go in Play Store and download this XD Revit. You can search for here XD Revit shop and download this application. I have already installed here, so I will directly open it, and then we will see here the interface, and I have earned here 9288 coin, and here is the autoplay tab. So if I play this, then it will give me the 48 point you can see here, and after 48 point it will add it into my account, and then I will use this account to view my YouTube channel. So I will show here. So after some time you can see it will be increased by 10. So how can you earn this? Then I will show you. Just click on autoplay and leave the mobile till 1 or 2 hours whenever you are free. So it will help you to earn more point and use your view and count, and you can also subscribe also this video, and you can get more subscriber and views from this method. It is 100% working. I have chosen many times and I am working on it. So this video also helps you to get views and subscriber. So today for this much, I think this video helps you a lot. So tell me how you like this video. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. So this has been a very viral video tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.